The directions for this worksheet tell us to write an integer for each situation. Find the point on the number line that corresponds to the integer and write the letter of the exercise above the number. So if I look at 3 units to the left of 0, here's 0, and if I move 3 units to the left of 0, there is negative 3. We're going to write the letter H above negative 3 on the number line. Let's do another one. The opposite of 13. The opposite of 13 is negative 13. So here again on my number line, I'm going to find, here's negative 10, negative 11, negative 12, negative 13. It's right here. And I'm going to put the letter A above my answer. And you continue through the worksheet. I would like you to write your answer and write the letter above the number line. It will spell out a puzzle.